We built a unique AI big data platform that solves one of the main problems in the retail market, the problem of out of shelf. And so we created and proved this technology in Eastern Europe market. So we have already made contracts with 10 of top 20 big brands, CPG brands like Danone, Coca-Cola, Nestle, Unilever, FS, etc. And also we have made an agreement with 8 of 10 top retailers in Eastern Europe. Their sales for our clients by 5.5%. It's a huge number for this market. When you go to store and you would like to buy some product, like, okay, I need to buy milk. I go to shelf and can't find this milk, or I can't find because the shelf is empty, or I can't find the price of this milk and I decided not to buy it because I understand the price of it. Or for example, the package is really dirty or something else, you know, that and all of this is causes of sales loss. I mean that in this moment when the customer don't buy the product of supplier, supplier lose money and also retailer lose money. And we figured out how to solve this problem through data and image recognition technology. We work in real time. It means that we send alerts to in-store employee within an hour when the problem appears. Push merchandiser to fix problem very soon, very fast. The second advantage is that we call it hybrid platform because we use two different technologies. The first one is big data, analyzing data in real time, and the second one is image recognition. When merchandiser go to check some our alerts, he or she take a picture of the shelf, and we see the situation with slow turnover products. The main goal here to attract attention from some funds and partners because so we are a B2B company and we are looking for some partners to help us to speak with some big brands and big retail company like Walmart, Safeway, etc. because we are sure that we can help them. And also we know that they need help because now the market is really, so this market is really old, it's really competitor market, the huge competition on this market, and the market is really consolidated, and it means that so if we increase the sales of retailer by 5.5%, they will really happy.